I'm calling this one a Class C cruiser. It has nice rich colors, tastefully done, and it just cruises so nicely. It has a Corvette LS2 motor under the hood, 400 horsepower, overdrive automatic, nice custom interior, body off frame restored. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a really nice looking body. It's got about 6,000 miles on it, so it has been driven. Nice clean hood. It's $1,000 a gallon paint. That TV show Bitchin' Rides, that's where they bought the paint from. It's a Kindigit paint, and it's called Angry Orange Metallic. And this is all straight. The fender's straight, all the way down to the bottom. The rockers, the doors, all the lines are all nice and clean and flush and straight. And then they call this champagne metallic, and it's all nice, all laid out evenly. The body is all nice and clean. Corners of the trunk look real nice, all fits real well. Car's straight. I'm not seeing any body damage. The lower quarters are clean and has a mirror reflection. And again, all the body lines, the rockers, all that's nice and clean. Jambs are painted nicely. Closes real nicely. Now the paint job's gorgeous. I'm extremely fussy. There's little like piece of dust in the paint or little divots or marks here or there. So it's not a perfect paint job, but it's really, really nice. And all of the chrome and stainless looks redone. This one didn't hold up as well. There's a little bit of freckling on the bird, but the rest of this is all beautiful, brilliant. They're one-piece bumpers, all the bezels, all in beautiful shape. The windshield's new. The side glass has all been replaced, and it's smoked glass. They eliminated the vent window, so it's one window, nice clean look. Door handles were replaced. All this stuff is really bright, shiny, all the stainless trim, all looking really good. Those are 17-inch aluminum wheels, obviously with spinners. Got some nice performance tires on there. It's got a nice stance. And then coming around to the back, it has LED tail lights and reverse lights. And all the chrome back here is sparkling too. It's just that bird is a 7 out of 10. It has a third brake light in the back window along with the LEDs, so you're going to be seen for sure. Let's check out the custom interior and the matching trunk and that LS motor. All right, I'm going to show you a nice looking trunk compartment, finished off really well. Custom upholstered, the bottom side of the trunk lid, you got the nice V, some nice stitching. Inside is all boxed, upholstered. Has this nice carpeted floor with some compartments underneath here. This could come out with a few screws. You could eliminate this whole thing and just have a carpeted floor, or you can leave it just like that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. Custom upholstered interior, new weather strips around the door. Yeah, custom upholstered interior, including the door panels, armrests, has new window cranks and handles. All the metal trim is painted. The dash is painted the angry orange color. And it has some upgraded knobs. Dakota digital gauges. Let me light them up for you. They are red. They look nice. And it has just ready to turn 6,000 miles. The gentleman was very apprehensive about letting the car go, but health issues were forcing it. But yeah, great car. Down here it has vintage air heat controls. This is all painted nicely. Kick panels are upholstered. Carpet's real nice. Custom console. It's got this JBL Bluetooth stereo. All custom shifter. Bucket seats are all upholstered real nice. There's a scratch across. It's not ripped, but a scratch on the surface. Nice bucket seats. Back of the seat's upholstered. There are seat belts in the front. Now the console goes all the way back. Got a little compartment. You got a USB plug, an 12-volt receptacle. Wrap around back seat. Armrest that pulls down. It all matches the front seat. Custom rear shelf with the speakers. And then the headliner's been completely reupholstered in a matching vinyl. Original style mirror looks real good. Has a hidden antenna. Notice there's no antenna out on the fender. A tilt column with a nice sharp steering wheel. And it's got all new wiring in the car and sound deadener under the carpet as well. It's a comfortable interior. So that is I think it's a 6-liter LS2. I think it's all aluminum engine, but it makes 400 horsepower, 400 pounds of torque. It does have headers, and they put this heat wrap around it to keep the heat out of the engine bay, keeps it going out the exhaust. Firewall's cleaned up real nicely. Got a nice dipstick for the trans. No clutter. All painted nice, new hinges. Has the nice hoses with the compression clamps, serpentine belt, a Be Cool aluminum radiator with dual electric fans and an overflow bottle, keeps it running cool. Nice polished air intake tube. Got modern power steering. You got an all chrome power brake setup. Got electric wipers. Again, just nice, clean, simple, and a nice running LS2 motor, which Michael's going to demonstrate for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, got ourselves a really nice cruiser here today. Kind of turnkey, ready to rock with the LS2 under the hood. That's a 6-liter, rated at 400 horsepower. If you're looking for something, just get in, turn the key, and just drive until your heart's content. This is a really good option for you. Really done up like a more modern vehicle with the 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Do your highway cruising in this one and not burn up a bunch in gas, and just again have a kind of thought-free drivetrain there, which is fantastic. And then other modern amenities like the Bluetooth stereo, for example, tilt wheel, power steering, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes. I mean, heck, this one's even got rack and pinion on it. So, yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, and without even thinking twice, there we are, up to 60 miles an hour. What a great experience. Runs smooth. Everything seems sound on this car. Really great time. A really comfortable interior too. This custom interior. Seats are nice and comfortable. Got good support to them. And yeah, it looks fantastic too. See how it goes down the road here. And straight as an arrow. Nice setup on the front end there. And yeah, just a great car overall. So if you want to come take it for a test drive, you're always more than welcome here. Just contact Joey or Eric, part of our sales team, and we'll be happy to arrange that for you. And other than that, check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So it was body off the frame restored. And let me tell you, the floors are clean, smooth metal, painted as like a satin black. The frame is clean metal, painted a little more of a semi-gloss black. You can see all the body bushings and washers, that's all been replaced. The front end steering was completely rebuilt, has an upgraded sway bar, has coil-over adjustable gas shocks, and it has rack and pinion steering. In back, it does have air shocks, the springs, the bushings, that's all been replaced. The fuel system's replaced and upgraded for the fuel-injected motor. Has disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels and a custom emergency brake system. It has a nice fat custom dual exhaust with an X pipe, Flowmaster mufflers or stainless mufflers on this one. You look up at the motor, it has a Holley aluminum oil pan, high torque starter. It's a 4L60E overdrive automatic trans with a remote oil cooler. A rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a 10-bolt rear end. So real clean underneath. Beautiful car. Again, inside and out, you'll find a little nick in a corner, a little mark here or there, but it's a really nice piece and just cruises so nicely. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your 55 Chevy delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.